Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about the Bitcoin crash, something that I possibly did not see over the last couple of days. So just give me a couple of minutes. We're going to go over this particular Bitcoin chart, and then I'll let you all go. If y'all appreciate my videos and my content, as always, hit that like button. Share the video and also subscribe here for more content. But first, could I actually say that I didn't see this coming? I mean, when you look at the price prediction that we got on our chart right now for Bitcoin, we anticipated that the market was weak. And so far, from our price prediction, which was produced on the 29th of August, we've expected this to happen. You know, price going lower. And now we are seeing price in Bitcoin trying to test this first buy zone. You can actually tell it actually cracked it today. So maybe this buy zone won't be as relevant as what we thought it would be. Maybe it might come down to this second buy zone, even this third buy zone. Because really, this third buy zone here is where the market in Bitcoin ultimately stopped moving when we had that big move on August the 5th. So we might test that area again just to see if buyers will approach the market at that particular time. Here it is on the 2-day chart for Bitcoin. And you can see here that we're really not seeing a lot of strength. Yeah, we're definitely seeing weakness in selling, hitting the market in Bitcoin right there around 64,000. Ever since then, buyers has attempted, like, I give them credit, they tried to hold price, but the pressure of the sellers is definitely waning on those buyers, or increasing the pressure. Take a look at Bitcoin here on the 3-day chart. Okay, this weakness bar right here should have signaled to us, hey, I know many people are trying to buy Bitcoin on the low, but there's still more people out here trying to sell Bitcoin, or if anything, just not enough demand up there around $64,000. So you might want to expect some lower prices to come through. And look at what's been going on. We're finally getting that movement to the downside of Bitcoin on this current 3-day bar. Here it is on the 4. We have 13 hours and 16 minutes left. You can see it. I'm going to get rid of this buy zone here because when I look at this on the 4-day chart, I'm looking at these 4-day price bars here, and it kind of resembles, yeah, we might see the market in Bitcoin come to this buy zone. So I got rid of that other one. Here it is on the 5. Bitcoin on the weekly. This is what the conclusion of last week produced. And again, we shouldn't be surprised because every price bar leads into the most recent price bar, meaning this price bar right here in Bitcoin is very widespread down bar right here is confirming this one, this last week's price bar. Bitcoin on the 2 weeks. So at the end of this week, we really need to pay attention to see how price closes on this 2-weekly price bar that this arrow is pointing down to. If it closes the way that it looks now, we may actually see Bitcoin come to the second buy zone or even lower to like $40,000. I know, terrible news. You don't want to hear it. Bitcoin should be going up rather than going down. Bitcoin's supposed to be $100,000 by now. It's supposed to be $1 million by now. Well, this is going to be a long trip, a long ride. So let's just buckle in and enjoy it. Here it is on the 3. Same thing. I don't like the 3-weekly price bar in the sense of looking for price to go up, especially in the next 4 days. If it looks the way that it looks right now, I will have to continue to look forward to price going down in Bitcoin. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Take a look at Bitcoin on the monthly chart. Okay, so overall, 4-minute video is telling us that we shouldn't change our perspective into the market in Bitcoin. Still seeing some weakness here into this particular cryptocurrency, so we're just going to sit tight and continue to anticipate some lower prices. Now, this buy zone and this one could stop that movement though. So I'm definitely paying attention to these 2 buy zones to see if the buyers are going to approach. If they do, cool, take profit, move on to the next opportunity and see where price of Bitcoin is headed next. But you can see as I zoom out just a little bit what trend Bitcoin currently is going through though. You can see it. Okay, so don't let people try to come in and deceive you and tell you to come in and buy these dips, or Bitcoin is going to make an all-time high by the end of this year, when we can tell what direction the market is currently going through. All right, so that is it. You guys are up next. Give me a comment on what you think Bitcoin is about to do, and we'll see. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.